Hi, I'm Michael from Giotto Imaging Supplies, coming to you with something a little bit special. This is a customer request, so we're going to interrupt your regularly scheduled broadcast for an 11-ounce mug sublimated in an oven. It's a very simple process, actually not that much different than doing it like a mug press, but there is some slight difference, and let's show you what those differences are. So we have our standard Pearl 11-ounce ceramic mug. We're going to tape it in place just the way we normally would. Now, one of the great advantages about using an oven is that we're going to be able to go a little bit further closer to the handle. Why? Well, because we're going to get pressure closer to the handle than we would normally be able to get out of a mug press. So let's tape that in place. What is different is we're going to use a Hicks wrap, and the Hicks wrap is going to give us some extra pressure. And what is the advantage of that? Well, it means we're going to be able to get quite a bit closer to the handle here, because we're going to get wrap pressure right to those edges, right to that handle. So here's how that works. We just put that in the center of the wrap, bring this up around the whole thing, including the handle. And what you can see is you'll have pressure all the way around. Now, this isn't heavy pressure or anything, but you don't really need heavy pressure. It doesn't have to be super tight, just has to be good and firm. Shouldn't be able to, move the mug inside the wrap. All right, we're turning our oven on. Should be ready in only just a moment or so. So as soon as it is, we'll pop this in and we'll get to see how it turns out. So that's our oven signaling that it's time to go. So it's simple. We're going to throw this in. And now we wait. Now the temperature is 400 degrees. I've got it at 404, but it's 400 degrees, both top and bottom, 14 minutes. You can get some fluctuation there and find that you can still get excellent results. Your mileage may vary depending on what kind of oven you're using and, various other things. But that's generally a pretty good range for you to do it with. You can get down as low as 12 minutes, and you can get down as low as 385, 370, but I don't recommend going lower than either of those numbers. Let's see you in about 13 minutes with the final result. Okay, we've got less than 10 seconds left. So here we go. 4, 3, 2, little beep. Out it comes. Now, of course, you can do more than one of these at a time. We only did the one. Woo! Hot, 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 hot. You definitely do want to have a glove, but then I pull back on this, get the rest of this tape off. Oh! And man, oh man, do we get just gorgeous results. Just look at that. Solid, beautiful color, end to end. Just love it. Look at how crisp that is. So, sublimation in an oven for steel, like stainless steelware, for ceramics, for frosted glass, particularly anything that's an odd shape. Nothing beats a sublimation oven. If you're going to be doing 11-ounce and 15-ounce mugs or other standard size mugs, and you're going to be doing a lot of them, something like a 5-station mug press is probably a better solution to an oven. But if you're doing lower quantities and you're doing things like 20-ounce stainless steel tumblers, or you want to get that extra wrap on an 11-ounce mug right to those edges, you want to get that, you're definitely going to do better with a sublimation oven using something like a Hicks wrap. So, this is Michael with Giotto Imaging Supplies saying thank you very much for joining us. If you like this kind of content, like this video. If you really like it, subscribe. Tell all your friends. Thank you so much for joining us. Remember, we love to hear comments from you. What do you want us to show you next? We love it when customers ask us what to do, and well, we answer, don't we? Have a great day. Happy sublimating. Be well.